A for apple, red and sweet Nina. B for ball, bounce on the street Nina. C for cat, soft and small Leo. D for dog, playing with the ball Leo. E for elephant, big and tall Leo. F for fish, swimming in the pool Leo. G for giraffe, neck so high on. H for hen, saying cluck nearby yo. Ooh, 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 ooh. I for ice cream, cold and yummy sun. J for jug, full of water for tummy. K for kite, flying in the sky. L for lion, going loud and high. M for monkey, jumping on a tree. N for nest, home for birdies we see. O for orange, juicy and round. J might be for parrot, green with sounder.
No, sorry, I love it. I'm just swearing off electronics for a little bit. Or maybe I could get a couple of message boards. No, I'm good. I don't need it.
Q for queen, wearing a crown here. R for rabbit, hopping around here. S for sun, shining bright to star. T for tiger, strong with might to star. U for umbrella in the rain, Dio. V for van on the lane, Leo. W for watch, telling the time. X for x-ray, bones in line, D.